नमस्कार, भानु आईसीसी एकेडमी में और आज मेरे साथ है छाया मुगल जो इंडियन फॉर्मर क्रिकेटर रह चुकी हैं और आज यहाँ पर दुबई में हमारे साथ मौजूद है आईसीसी एकेडमी में। इन्होंने 66 मैचेस खेले हुए हैं एंड 46 विकेट्स लिए हुए हैं। टुडे वी आर एट दिस प्लेटफॉर्म टू एनकरेज वुमेन क्रिकेट। सो ओवर टू छाया मुगल। हेलो छाया, हाउ आर यू डूइंग टुडे?
I'm doing absolutely amazing and I'm so enjoying this atmosphere here, and this is what we planned and this is what we got today.
So what is the agenda of this event?
Well, this is called as Rio Cricket Festival. This we are giving opportunities to the young girls starting from age 9 to 15 years on 15 years. एंड इनमें से कुछ ऐसी भी हैं जो शायद फर्स्ट टाइम क्रिकेट खेल रही हैं या फर्स्ट टाइम बॉल कर रही हैं. So the whole idea of having these festivals is to raise an awareness among the society, especially after World Cup. There are many girls who want to play cricket because they have seen उनके heroes को उन्होंने जब लाइव खेलते हुए देखा है. So they just want to pick up a bat and just play cricket, you know. So this from ECB, you know, we have started this program. It's called as Rio Cricket Festival, जिसमें आज around 250 girls आई हैं. And there are around 32 teams that are participating, which is a big number. So when I see them play here and they're enjoying, you know, बहुत सारी activities हम लोग ने plan किया है ILT के साथ में. And जब वो यहाँ पे hands-on activities try कर रहे हैं, mascots के साथ में खेल रहे हैं, you know, it's so much fun I could see on their faces, and that's what we wanted. And कल को जब वो अपने school जाएंगे या अपने friends के साथ में मिलेंगे, I'm sure they'll talk about cricket. So that's the whole idea of having these festivals. When they talk to others, and you know, it'll create a sort of awareness that yes, UAE has a lot of cricketers, and that's the basic idea from the development perspective. And I'm so happy to be here as development officer because I could see the growth of women's cricket. It's really flourishing, and I could see the future of UAE women's cricket really bright.
How do you think, like over the years now, women cricket को इतना promotion मिल रहा है? How tough it was when, you know, when that first woman decided कि हमको cricket को भी आगे लेना है. We as women can also do cricket. How do you think it has evolved over the years?
Well, if I talk about UAE, it started in the year 2007. We were barely having a team of 12 players. You know, I wasn't there at that time, but I've heard about the things which happened, and they really struggled to make a team. So literally there were mums and aunts, you know, of the players who joined in, और उनको मिला के हमने एक टीम बनाया था जो फर्स्ट टाइम खेलने ACC टूर्नामेंट के लिए थाईलैंड गए थे. So if I think about that time, you know, जहाँ पे 12 लड़कियां भी कलेक्ट करना मुश्किल होता था. And if I talk about today, you know, there are more than 250 girls, that too from age 9 to 15. If I talk about 15 years and elder, there are plenty of other female. If I talk about all together, so I think 1000 से भी ज्यादा ऐसी लड़कियां हैं या women हैं जो क्रिकेट खेलना चाहती हैं यहाँ पे. तो डिफरेंस इफ आई से या फिर कॉन्ट्रास्ट की बात करें तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. यू नो, यूएई क्रिकेट बहुत ज्यादा तरक्की कर रहा है, एंड आई एम श्योर कि आने वाले सालों में ये सब और भी बढ़ने वाला है.
Who was your inspiration, छाया? आपको किसने इंस्पायर किया?
Well, coming from India, I think आपको इंस्पिरेशन की जरूरत ही नहीं होती है because you're born up in a cricketing family. If you throw a stone at somebody, it will fall on a cricketer's head only, you know, in India. And the same thing happens with me also. My family is a cricket enthusiast. My dad and my brother, and I used to play with them. So, but if I talk about the cricketer that inspired me, well, it's Mithali Raj, of course, growing in India. Kapil Dev. They were the ones who first inspired me, and I thought they have something different. So why not try this game, which is giving them so much of identity and fame? So I just took cricket as a serious business, and I started playing with full interest.
एक क्विक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगी. बच्चे जो those who are pursuing cricket, they often hustle कि पढ़ाई करें कि क्रिकेट करें. ये एक मैसेज अगर आप क्लियर करेंगे तो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स ऑफ कोर्स अभी भी हम एजुकेशन पे प्रेशर करते हैं. लाइक मी माई सेल्फ एज अ पेरेंट, मैं एजुकेशन पे प्रेशर डालती हूँ, बट दे वांट टू परस्यू क्रिकेट. तो ऐसे पेरेंट्स के लिए और बच्चों के लिए क्या आप मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
Well, the message is very simple because I have started playing cricket when I was around 8 years old. I've also juggled between playing cricket and studies, and I was quite good. You know, I have always got good grades. Being in India, you know how difficult it is, CBSE and all. But the key here is to balance. You know, when you know how to balance, आप अपनी academics और अपनी studies को कैसे balance करते हैं, academics और sports को balance करना is the art, and what helps you is your organization and your priorities. जब आप अपनी priorities को set कर लेते हैं and you work as per your priorities, I think there's nothing that can stop you. And I would definitely recommend this to all the parents, you know, कि सिर्फ studies are not important. You need to have your ward in some kind of sports activities, because overall अगर development आप देखना चाहते हो तो वो sports खेलने के साथ में ही आते हैं, and that too if you are playing team sports, you know, rather than the individual sports. So yeah, I think balancing is the key here, and that also comes with the organization skills, setting your priorities.
तो ये थी हमारे साथ छाया मुगल, जो बहुत अच्छा मैसेज प्रोवाइड किया है। विमेन क्रिकेट को हम सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, एंड यस फॉर ऑल द पेरेंट्स जो एजुकेशन पे फोर्स डालते हैं, सो देयर इज अ वेरी क्लियर मैसेज, लेट्स बैलेंस, लेट्स ऑर्गेनाइज एंड लेट्स गिव प्रायोरिटी टुवर्ड थिंग्स। डेफिनेटली स्पोर्ट्स एक ऐसा फैकल्टी है जहाँ पे जो बहुत आगे बढ़ रहा है, एंड यूएई क्रिकेट आज की तारीख में बहुत आगे जा रहा है। सो यस, दिस इज संजीवनी शर्मा फ्रॉम बोल इंडिया न्यूज साइनिंग ऑफ।